Good morning, students. Welcome to LPSRS Riverside School, Daboli, Surat. Standard 7, Subject Mathematics, Chapter number 5, Lines and Angles. In this chapter, we have to learn about the introduction of lines and angles in this chapter. So, first of all, we start with introduction. You already know how to identify different lines, line segments and angles in given shapes. So can you identify different line segments and angle from following figures? So they put the question how many lines and how different lines they use to make these shapes. Can you also identify whatever the angles made are acute or obtuse angle? So here you have to recall about the acute and obtuse angle or right angles. Means these are the types of the angles which you have already learned. So recall that line segment has 2 points. Here you can see that line segment, here definition of the line segment is line segment has two endpoints. If we extend two endpoints in either endlessly, we get the line. So this is the line segment. Here the length of PQ is limited and the ends are fixed. They are not endless. Okay, they have completely end. But here you can see that the line of the line having endless direction. Okay, so here two arrows suggest that it is extend up to the infinity. So the line between the that we can say that the line has no end. On the other hand, recall there had one end of the point and namely its starting point. Here one starting point. For example, look at the below figure. Here ray. This is the ray. Ray have one starting point, that is a origin, and it have no end point at the one hand side, and one end is fixed. So in this way there are three difference between the line segment, line and the rays. These are the three different lines. Okay, then the next, show a line segment that is a 5.21 and 5.22 and 5.23 over here. So a line segment PQ is generally denoted by symbol PQ. Line segment AB is denoted by the symbol AB. To denoted by OP. Give some example of the line segments and ray from your daily life and discuss them with your friends. Here you can see that these three are the symbol, that is a symbol of the line, that is a symbol of the line. Okay, again recall that an angle is formed when lines or line segments meets. Here you can see that two line segment meets where that is a point A. So AB and AC are meet at the point A, and then after AB and BC are meet at the point B, and BC and AC are meet at the point AB and BC. Then next, PQ and RS are the two points. So PQ and RS are meet at the point O origin. So in 5.3 figure you can see that 5.31 line segment AB and BC intersect at the B to form angle triangle ABC. So here triangle ABC and again line segment BC and AC intersect at the C from the angle ACB and so on. So where is 5.3 line PQ and RS intersect at the O to the four angles POS. So they intersect at these two lines are make the angles POS, then the POR, SOQ and ROQ from the equation. So by intersecting these two lines you got the four angles. Okay, so these four angles. So in this way these are the intersection of the line segments and these are the intersection of the lines. Then after related angle, in the related angle first of all that is a complementary angles. When the sum of the measurement of two angles is 90, that is known as complementary angle. So here complementary angles are are the 90 degree. So you can see that are these two angles complementary. So here first one is 30 and second one is 60. So sum of these two angles are 90. So these are the complementary angles. And next, are these two angles are complementary? No, because 35 plus 65 is 100. So here it is not possible. So that is a not complementary angle. Whenever two angles are complementary, each angle is said to be complementary angles. In the above diagram, you can see that 30-degree angle is complement of the 60-degree and vice versa. Okay, so here you can see that the what is complementary angle and what is non-complementary angles. And here you can see that which pair of the followings are complementary. So in first 70 plus 20, that is a complementary angle because the angle of 70 plus 20 that is a 90. So that is complementary angle. Then after 75 plus 25, that is above 90. So that is not complementary angle. Then after 48 plus 52, that is also not complementary angle because the sum of these two angle is 100 because 48 plus 52 that is a 100. Then after 35 plus 55, so 35 plus 55 that is a 90. So these are the complementary angles and these two sums you have to write in your homework. Let's we start supplementary angles. What is supplementary angles? So first of all I tell you definition about the supplementary angles. If any angle have sum is equal to 180, so 60 plus 180 120 that is a 180. Okay, so the sum of these two angles are 180. So supplementary angles having sum 180. So these two are the supplementary angles. Here 68 plus 112, that is also supplementary angles because these two angles having sum is 180. Okay, so in this way you can find the supplementary angles. So try to solve this kind of example. You in your homework you have to draw two supplementary angles and two complement angle. Okay, so two complement angles and two supplements angle are in your homework. Thank you so much.